Traditionally, the automotive industry has been a very male-dominated. Potential stereotypes and tradition have maybe limited other women's exposure to opportunities within the sector.
A lot of their thoughts and perceptions of what automotive is quite outdated.
We can all sit there with stereotypes or preconceived ideas about what automotive would be like.
There are so many opportunities. If there's something you want to do and you want to do it within an industry that fulfills and excites you, then I would really encourage you.
I work with an incredible team of women who support and empower me.
You learn so much on the job and you combine skills with your teammates as well, which makes it even better.
I was the first female in the UK to pass the workshop controller qualification, which was a very proud moment, yes.
I have recently been nominated for the Rising Star category, which was an incredible feeling to achieve.
I'm incredibly proud to work at Rygor. We have created a workplace where women feel really encouraged to develop.
Rygor really champions professional growth and development.
Stay open-minded. There are ample opportunities.
Don't discount it, just do it.
You never know, you might surprise yourself.
Because we need to see things to believe them.
It's all about visibility and representation and showing women and girls that this is a place where women can thrive.
Women can do whatever they want now.
People think it's a man's game, but in reality, anyone can do it.
It's about shaping the generation of the future.
When I think about being a woman in automotive, the main thing I am is proud. I am proud of everything I've achieved, and I am so proud of the team around me and everything they are achieving. And I think it is brilliant to be able to celebrate other people's successes, help them achieve, help them be the best they can be, and help them flourish.